No.
All right, we're live. Cool.
There's no internet.
So, how you want to do this? Want to jump right into the quiz, discuss the material a little bit, or what?
I mean, is there any general question you guys have about the material? I think lesson 4 was super easy, just the probability.
It was really simple.
But other than that, I mean, the Z-score, that was the only thing that, I mean, obviously I had a little bit of difficulty with, but other than that, I think everything's okay.
Yeah, I've already done the quiz. It's easy.
Okay, cool.
You went ahead
Overachiever.
of us and did the quiz? Wow.
Showing us up. Okay.
I don't understand the questions.
Yeah. So let me pull up the quiz online. Yeah,
Why
so-
is there an alumni spotlight on it? What in the world?
on what?
On
You haven't
lesson
noticed that
5.
yet?
The hangout?
No, like the alumni spotlight, Adam Anderson. Just
On
random.
the textbook online.
Yeah.
Yeah, they have alumni.
To make sure that
at
least
someone's using this stuff.
Sorry, my internet
Internet's
out,
out,
so I hop on my phone, my computer.
All right.
Okay.
Okay, do you see this quiz screen?
Yep.
If you want.
So we're doing lesson 4 first.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool. So the first do a freebie. So, so I know mine was. Is there like a graph or anything? Because I remember my browser doesn't show.
Okay, so you see the blood type? It says 0.45 or B 0.11.
Oh, this one. Okay.
4. Yeah. So the proportions given is a probability distribution, and that's true. Because if you add those up, it equals 1.
Okay. So true.
Yes.
Yeah, because all it's got to do is, you said add up to E equal 1, correct?
Correct.
It does.
Okay.
So what is the probability that a randomly selected person in the United States has a type O? So 45.
45.
That's given to you in the chart. It's point. What did you say?
Well, if there's a
5?
0.45 proportion out of 100, then it's gonna be 0.45, isn't it?
Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah.
I thought you said something else.
Oh, I said 45%. It was just not moving the decimals.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And then that they will not have, so you do 1 minus 0.45, that's 0.55 for number
Right.
5.
So, okay. Starters, dogs, are trained to collect bladder cancer. Detect.
Divided by 7. $1.43.
Is it my internet that's really terrible?
0.43.
Mine's been terrible. That's why I've been switching. Mine's been glitching out a bunch, and I was switching between my phone and my computer.
Because I can't really understand anything any of you guys are saying.
Not even me?
No, John, you're clear. You're super clear.
Okay.
What about me?
Okay, I guess it's just Reba.
Reba, are you on your phone or? Maybe.
Pack. I mean, a jetpack.
Okay.
The Wi-Fi thing.
So would this be 0.14? Is that what you guys got?
You got it. It's 3 decimal.
Okay, so 14.2.
It rounds to 3.
Okay.
Isn't it 0.142?
2.8, yeah, so that's 3.
Where did you guys get that number from?
So because there's 7 patients, pretty much if you just turn the patients into like a dice, like it's just there's a 1 in 7 chance that the dog will guess, like just randomly guess it.
Oh,
So
duh.
that's 7.
Okay. B for number 7.
What you said, the bottom one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Use the M&Ms. I didn't know what M&Ms were. Thank you.
M&Ms are small chocolate candies.
So wait, go back to number 7. Why did you guys do the bottom one?
Wait, so okay, let me.
I didn't. I did the first one.
Oh yeah,
That's what I'm thinking too.
literally.
Because they even said it's very unlikely that the dog would do this well by random chance.
Right.
Oh, okay. I read that wrong. I thought it said it's very unlikely that it would basically do this. I don't know. I read it wrong.
Okay.
Slow down. Sorry.
No, you're good. I was just kind of confused, so there we go. Who doesn't know what M&Ms are?
I do.
Unfortunately, I know too well.
So I'm guessing it's just. Well, let's see. Am I missing something? Because I just think it's 0.1, like 1.3, but that seems too easy.
That's
No,
what
that
I'm
is
getting.
it. That is it.
Yeah. I just like,
I like-
people when it's super easy.
I hope the tests or the exams are this easy.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. They blocked out green,
And
so it's
then-
gonna add all the other ones together and then take the difference from 100.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yes.
So it's 0.16, I think.
0.16.
0.16.
Okay.
Yes.
It's not green. Okay.
Pretty much just 100 minus 16.
0.16. Be 0.84. Reading the chart.
24.
Yes, that's what I got.
24.
Anybody have any questions about that?
That's just the median, right? So just
Right.
go below it.
Next one's 27.
Okay.
On quarter 3, okay, yeah. Ooh, it's blue in there. Which the phone is not.
And then, yeah, I put the third one.
It's the third one because nothing can be negative. There can't be a negative probability.
Nope. And it can't be greater than 1 either, so.
Done.
Who's going first?
I'll take the bullet this time.
I will. Okay, go ahead.
Wait, but didn't you already do it?
Don't do it
But I
again.
didn't submit it. I didn't submit it.
Okay.
Anything? 100%?
It's loading. It's taking its sweet time. We're good. Go ahead and turn them in.
Right.
Sweet.
I like it. We should just do this every time.
I know.
What, just get 100%? That's the
Yeah.
goal.
Cool. Okay, let's go to lesson 5.
Oh, so we made 100?
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
I don't know
Did
why.
you guys turn in the homework yet this week?
I haven't done the homework yet.
I
I
started.
mean, I did individual
No.
preparation, but I haven't done the homework yet.
It's pretty basic. It's like way exactly how the preparation was.
Cool.
Okay.
Okay.
And then if you guys want, after we're done with everything, I can show you some cool stuff on Excel that I've learned how to do just for the future, if you guys want.
Yeah, I want to see that.
That'd be good.
Okay.
And then I want to ask you guys one question from one of the quizzes from last week. The last question on the second quiz, where it was talking about the median changing if you were to add in the correct data. I got that one wrong twice, and I want to see what you guys think.
Which one? It was week 2, correct? Lesson
yeah.
3?
Correct answer was like the median will go up, right?
No, I tried that.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's what I.
That's what I thought. You know, I even wrote it all out and everything like that, and it looked like the median would go up, but I put that down first, and it said it was incorrect.
Okay, which lesson? Lesson 3?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think that's what I put. And I think I got it right.
How do you
Maybe-
go and look at it?
You can probably go look at maybe quizzes.
No, it's not in there.
Is it in grades?
Possibly.
And then we'll let you click on the grade. Whoa.
I think I got that one wrong as well, maybe, because it says I only got 9 out of 10 on it. So
Computer's running super slow. I made 100, so I don't know that we had the same question.
I don't know.
I think everybody has the same question. Better than us. Okay. Yeah, I can't find where we would go find it, so we'll just have to save that for another time.
I swear, because I thought I got the one wrong. It was like, I can't even remember it now, but it was like, it talked about the standard deviation ones, but I'll just have to play around a bit and see.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, I have the thing already here, so we can just use that, but
Dang, this one's got 18 questions.
yeah, we got this. Yeah, I don't think I can see the graph thing. Isn't there like supposed to be a chart here?
You gotta click on the hyperlink, the normal probability applet.
But I think I'm missing something because what am I? The total. All I see on mine is.
That's what I'm saying too.
You gotta.
So it's just
Click.
it's the middle section,
Oh, okay.
the area under the normal.
Yeah, so the total area under the normal distribution curve.
So it's gonna be 0.6827. So 0.683, I'm guessing.
Wait. No, the total area under the distribution curve must equal 1.
Yeah, but the normal distribution curve. The what?
Right, so it's 1. Correct?
No, because once you get to past the 2 standard deviations, it's not normal.
Okay.
You guys broke up
So,
really bad. Can you go over that again?
On this one. So I'm just going with what they have already in as the z-scores. So here, let me, one sec. So you can see right here, when you pull up the applet, these numbers are already input for you. And it's just a matter of finding the area of the normal curve, or the, what is it called? The normal distribution curve. So everything outside of here is going to be not normal, and everything in here is going to be normal. At least that was my understanding.
You just put 1 and 1. Okay.
That was already in there when I pulled it up.
Yes.
Click this and you get 6.2. Okay.
So that's why I was thinking it was 0.683 or yeah.
Yeah, but see, you can have a normal distribution area larger than that.
Yeah, it just matters what the standard distribution is, or yeah, the standard deviation is.
But it's not giving us a number there. It's just saying the total area under a normal distribution must equal. So the total area is what?
Yeah, I think because like if you look at the entire
Totally right.
1. So because these are the z-scores, so I think
Oh yeah, okay. No, you know what, Reba? I think you are right because yeah, you're saying it must equal at least or below 1.
yeah.
Heck, let's try 1, and if we get it wrong, we'll come back to it.
Okay. So under certain
Okay.
And then 4 is false.
No, it's not. Symmetric. That's true.
Because that would be going negative, and that can't happen, right?
Right.
Right.
It can only be on and above. So 5.
And then normal distribution curve is symmetric.
Okay, which of the following elements of the figures represents the z-score? C.
Let's see.
Yeah.
Whoa.
And 7 is B.
No, I know what happened to Mike's computer. Okay. 7 is B. Yeah.
So 68. Right? It's just 68.
Yeah. This
So it says between, this looks like the original. It's the 0.683.
Yeah. Okay.
What did you get?
0.683.
And then this one's 0.954.
0.955.
Hey, on number 8, it says show as a percentage.
Yeah, but it says
But
show it as a percentage rather than a proportion. So it's not the 0.42, but rather as a 42 instead.
So yeah, so it's just 6.
So it'd be 68.
Yeah,
Yeah.
68.
Exactly.
So and then 10 is 0.955 because you got to round up.
955. Okay.
What?
This one's -3, -3.
So did you get that, Reba? So 10 is 955. And 9 is 0.683 and 10 is 955.
And then 11 is 0.997. And if you guys are confused on how you get that, you just plug in the numbers into the applet.
Yeah, you just plug the numbers in. So really easy.
Yeah. That's kind of funny.
Yeah, but
So
what was 9?
I'm guessing it's just the top one. The values match the 68, 95, 99.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Reba, 9 was 0.683.
Reba, are we going too quick for you?
Well, we're just kind of breaking up. So
And then and when you go to 12, it's the very top one where it matches the 68, 95, 99, 7. Okay. Good to start on the 13.
Yep. Hmm. Okay, so this is the Z-score question.
yes. So what do we divide it by?
So I think you have to use the equation and plug in the numbers in the bottom portion where it's the mean is 0.65. And so you take that, you take the
You
0.65,
subtract it.
the 0.60, and divide it by 0.07.
And that gives you the
The Z number.
0.714.
And then do we have to plug that into the applet, or is that going too far?
No, you just need to report the
Yeah.
0.714.
0.174. So 0.714?
Hang on 1 second.
That's what I got, at least.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The water's broken, so it's okay. I can leave the door open, so.
Yeah, okay.
I'm trying to tell you something, Daddy.
Go find mommy. She's upstairs. Love you.
I can't wait to have kids.
Yeah. I make doing homework interesting sometimes. Pretty much all the time.
Imagine how you do it with 3.
What did y'all get on 13?
0.714.
0.714. Okay.
So now for this one, would we put in the 0.4 as the...
Isn't this where we have to use the applet because we have to click the portions? You know what I'm saying? Like, click here.
I don't think so. I don't think we use the applet anymore.
You can.
Because that will give you the area. Is the area the population?
Let me 1 second.
So you just have to put 1. Where did it go?
think we actually did number 13 wrong. Because it's supposed to be what proportion of the population have a protein requirement that is less than 0.6. So if the mean proportion is supposed to be 0.65 and the standard deviation is 0.07, then that means that people that need less than the mean it's not going to be 71%.
That's
Does that make
true.
sense? So I think that's when we go back to the applet. So I put 0.714 in our z-score, and I colored in the area that would be below the 60, and it's actually 0.238.
You genius, John.
238.
And then kind of the same deal from greater than
So then,
0.63.
Yeah, so it's just the opposite
so you just do it from here, which is
what we had before. Or no, it's still wrong. So 0.762. Okay.
this. Let's see what's less than 70%.
So what would you plug in there for the number?
Okay, we gotta find the z-score again, but I'm getting the same z-score, just negative.
Wait a minute. So is this where we have to use that equation that's x equals the mean plus like the z times the standard deviation?
You talking about this? Oh, are you talking about doing the z-score calculation or what?
Well, yeah. Do you remember how like there's a z-score calculation, but there's also like the x variable calculation?
You do the x variable when you don't know what the mean is, I think.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
I think.
Don't do that.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't think I did that right.
Yeah, I'm coming up with the same answer that we have for number 14.
So you have like the same answer for 15 and 14?
Yeah. I'm not sure if that's right. Because when I'm calculating it out, so for the z-score, I'm getting the same answer as if it were the 0.60, which is one's positive, the other one's negative. So on here, the z-score is 0.714. And it wants to know what's the proportion of the population have a protein requirement that is less than 0.70. This should be 0.70. So the area is 0.762.
But how does that make any sense that it would be the exact same answer? Because what proportion has a protein requirement that is more than 60 and that is less than 70?
Because they share the same z-score. So this is below 60, this is above 70, and this is between 60 and 70. So to take this away, so everything that is above 60, it's just a mirror image of what is below 70.
Right.
So
Okay.
you still end up with the same amount of area. I'm not sure if that's how it's done correctly, but that's just what I'm kind of figuring. Anybody else?
Yeah, I don't know why I can't recall this one from the practices.
It's just a matter of finding the z-score again and just putting it into the applet.
So we have to change the z-score, and like, would the z-score be different for this one because you have to do 0.70 minus 0.60?
That's what I'm saying. It comes out with the same z-score. Just one's positive, the other one's negative.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah. So I guess we got 4 tries, right? So
Okay, but so if one's negative number on.
You can have a negative z-score because it just means that it's going to be less than the mean. That's okay. So you're going to have positive and negative z-scores.
Yes.
How come it won't let me plug it
No.
into the applet that way, though?
Huh?
We plug it into the applet that way.
You can. What are you having an issue with?
I put in my z-score for the left as -7, the one to the right is 0.6, and then it just makes them the same.
They're always the same. You can't have one negative z-score be different from the positive. It's always going to be.
Okay, that was my question.
Yeah. So I guess we'll give that a shot and see what happens.
So, Jamie, do you still have those numbers plugged into the normal probability outlet? Do you just want to click in between the two z numbers and tell us what that area is? Because 0.60 and 0.70 is the exact same one, right? One's just positive, one's negative, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's that number in between the z numbers?
0.525.
Okay. And do we all understand that?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but if you look at the next one, it's like there's supposed to be a different number because it says is between 0.6 and 0.7. It says you have to find the z-scores of each.
Yeah, that's.
So it seems like we should have came out with a different number.
You guys try the calculations. I got one negative and one positive, but the same number. So the first one is 60 minus 65, which is -5. divided by 7. So that's negative 0.714. And then you do 70 minus 65. So that's positive 5 divided by 7. That's 0.714. So it's the same z-score, just for the 0.6, it's negative, and the 0.7, it's positive. And so they're just asking what the area is in between the two z-scores, and it's 0.5248, so 525.
That makes sense.
Again, I could be completely wrong. I think that's what they're asking for.
I just don't see any other way to do it. That's what I think we go with. I don't know.
Yeah, that makes logical sense because you plug the numbers in and it literally is the complete opposite. So
Find the 35th percentile for protein requirement for adults. Find your answer. So on this one, if I remember right, they just did the 0.35 up here, right? But it's just a matter of where you click it now, and that's where.
Oh yeah, if you right here, you need to do 0.35. Right?
Yeah. So it's the. I already messed it up, but what's that number?
All right. So the z-score is 0.385. I don't think that's what they're looking for.
So it's 0.385.
Yeah, but okay, so this is when we use the factor in x, because we don't know what the number is. So we know what the mean is supposed to be, and we know the standard deviation, and we know what the z-score is. So we got to add it into that formula and solve for x.
So that's x equals 0.65 times 0.385, or plus 0.385 times 0.07, right?
Well, we don't know what x is.
Yes, but that's the equations to find x.
Yeah, here. No, 1 second.
So it's x equals mean plus the z number times standard deviation.
It's minus mean.
Minus mean? Oh yeah, because it's plus or minus. It just depends on what z number we're using. So we're using the negative one.
Okay. It's you're either one, you're still minusing the mean out. I think maybe I got that wrong.
So for minusing, what I came up with is 0.623.
Okay.
Is that what you guys got?
I just was barely able to get some pen and paper, so 1 second. Okay. You want to just walk us through how you got that?
So if I have like that equation written down, right? So to find like the variable, I have x equals the weird u looking thing plus or minus, I guess I must have missed that, and then in parentheses z times the standard deviation. Close parentheses. That's the equation I wrote down. So if you plug that all in, I got 0.623 if you minus the z number, and then 0.677 if you add it.
Okay.
Your credentials are invalid, John.
I know.
So you got 0.6, what?
0.23.
Like that's if we do the subtract the parentheses stuff, but
Now
Okay,
plug it back in.
what was
I got
that?
0.677.
Yeah, that's what I get if I add it. So if I do 65 plus 0.385 times 0.07, I got the 0.677.
There we go.
So is that what we're gonna use?
YOLO.
Yeah, I think you have it right, because 35th percentile will be less than the mean, so it's going to be 0.62 what?
2-3.
2-3.
Okay.
That's what we're going with.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
All right, 80th percentile.
Is this the z-score we're gonna go with? 8.842.
Yeah, that's what I'm getting.
How come you guys are getting that number when I'm not at all?
The 842.
I put in 0.8, and then you guys come up with
Where are you putting it? Are you putting it in the area or the
in the
z-score?
area.
Okay, you got to make sure that these two fields are highlighted when you.
Oh, duh. I'm an idiot. Never mind.
No, you're not.
We still love you, but it's okay.
No, that's good. That's good.
Okay, I'm getting 0.71. Or we can do 0.709.
Put some mustard on it.
Mustard's always good.
I'm trying to get her to fix me fried bologna, but she won't.
Here, I thought you were like a master at the mutant thing, but you missed it, man.
I kept trying to do it. Reba, don't pass out on us now.
I'm sorry.
All right, John, what did you get, bud?
I think John's computer might be frozen.
Yeah. All right. I'm going to try 0.79.
What was I?
Huh? I'm going to try this
I mean, 18.
0.79 and we'll see what happens.
All
You
right.
broke up on me. I heard 0.7.
09.
Give her a shot. Let's see what happens. We're probably gonna get like a 4 out of 18.
I'm guessing that's what it's going to be. Yeah.
This is scary. Oh,
Bam. All right.
flawless,
We are good.
flawless, flawless. That's awesome.
No need. We're done. We already.
John said he's here.
Yeah. Okay. So do you guys have all those answers?
No.
What do you need, Reba? And what can I help you to?
I didn't understand
You didn't understand anything?
here.
$18. Okay. You want me to go over how we got it, or do you need the answer?
Yeah, go over how you got it.
Okay. So here, let me write out my equation a little bit better.
Back.
Okay.
Sorry about
Okay, so the first thing I did is, it wants us to find the 80th percentile. So what I did is I went over to the applet, and so I made it so that this line was the 80th percentile by making it so I highlighted these two fields to find the 80th percentile for the area.
Okay.
So after doing that, it produces a z-score. You take that z-score and then you plug it into the z-score formula. So this is what I did. Oh, can you guys see that?
Yeah. Also, it's a 709 then?
Yeah.
Yes.
Sorry,
So right here, it's 0.842, and then it equals x minus 0.65 because the 65 was the mean, and then you divide that by 0.07. So what you do is you multiply each side by 0.07, you get 0.05894, and then you just add 0.65 to get it away from x, and that's when I got the 0.709.
Makes sense to me. And you just plug it into the equation.
Okay.
Yeah. Once you find out what the z-score is, you're just solving for x after that.
sorry, my internet crashed.
Okay.
Did it stop the broadcast at all?
No, you're good.
Oh, sweet, cool.
John, I hope you
Okay,
love my heartfelt message I sent you.
Welcome, everyone.
I haven't got it yet.
Wow, man, you're just throwing us under the bus, huh? We all hate you, but I still love you.
Did someone turn it in a quiz?
Yeah, we got 100%.
What? I was not confident about that one. That's awesome.
Yeah, no, not at all.
Sick. That
So,
makes
do you need any of the answers, John?
Nope. Got it.
Okay.
And then so
We're good.
when we post, I have to put this on both the discussion boards, right? So did you just copy this Google Hangout link and put it on there, or did it one in YouTube?
Do it through YouTube, so it's easier. When it posts directly on YouTube, you just hit share this link, you copy the paste, and then you paste it on there.
Okay, so when I go on YouTube, I go find the events, and I go to copy that link or whatever.
Yeah, it's basically like you were going to watch a regular YouTube video. You just watch our video and then hit share, and it'll come up with a little link.
Okay, cool. Sounds good. Get that posted right away.
All right.
Any questions? If you want to meet up later this week, or just want to do what we did last week and just like kind of message each other if we had questions on homework.
I thought we were gonna learn some Excel tricks.
Oh, that's right.
What do you guys want me to show you? I forgot what we talked about last week.
It was like where you found the whiskers on Excel.
Yeah. Okay. So data set was.
You mean on Excel?
Like, yeah, where the data ranges were. Like the pre-scripted ones.
Oh yeah, that was. Well, you can find them in lesson 2 and lesson 3, I think. You always hold your nose when you're thinking real hard.
I do. I was telling them it gets worse. My foot starts going when I get nervous, and I start biting my nails real bad. Me and my wife, we went and bought a brand new car today, and I was going nuts. And I don't have any fingernails anymore.
What'd you get?
We got a 2018 Cherokee. It's a brand new Cherokee. So.
Wow, nice.
Scary.
We all have to buy at least one brand new car, especially right after we get married.
That's right.
It won't happen for a long time after that.
That's right. I don't know where the data ranges is, y'all, so I'm having a hard time finding this.
Okay.
So my daughter-in-law is so nervous about being in a flood again. She four-wheel drive, and she's getting a lift kit put on it.
Nice.
Good for her.
Yeah, I saw those monsters trucks rolling down the streets in Houston. They were the ones that were saving everybody.
It's true.
Yes. Well, down here we had airboats. The Diesel brothers came down and rescued some people.
All right. Well, here's what I'll do. I'll just share my screen. I'll put in some random data, and I'll show you guys how to do it.
Okay.
Okay. So can you guys see my screen okay?
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Okay, so we'll do like 5, 51, 29, 12, 10, 5, 4, 90, 70, 115, and then 1 for like an outlier. Okay, so then what you would do is you can select the whole data range. You can come up here in the top left corner thing. So, and I'll show you why that's important, but we can name that like, I don't know, dolphin. I don't know. But you would name it, and then the reason that's significant is if you're trying to find the mean, you can go like this,
You
hit
forgot
average.
to save it.
So as long as you hit enter, it saves. And then you would put dolphin. And that selects the whole data, right? So that's how you find the mean. Okay. Does that make sense so far?
Yep.
And then while you're hitting, you can go back and select the whole data range. You can hit insert, recommended charts, and then from there go to all charts, and then box and whisker. And when you click that,
Okay.
hit enter, and it'll show up there. Now, the reason that's important, it makes the chart directly for you, and it'll show you like 1 is the what do you call it?
Minimum.
Whatever. The minimum, the maximum is 90 or 115, and then it kind of shows that. So I don't know. Is that what you guys wanted to see?
Yeah.
No, that was good because we had to try to figure out which one matched up with the numbers,
Yeah.
and we kind of just had to go off of the finding the the percentiles. So that's good.
And then if
I
you
didn't
guys
realize you.
Say that again.
I took the same class you did. I didn't realize we could make charts like this, though.
I found it out on my own.
They didn't show us box and whiskers. I did too.
Yeah, I created my whole budget over again because of the Excel class. So I don't know. I've been using it a lot recently. So
Nice.
I hope that guys help. Hope that helped a little bit.
Yeah.
Cool. Thanks, man.
Yeah.
Is there anything else you guys want to talk about?
So life in general, no. I got tons of homework to do, so if the
Yep.
kids are good, I'm gonna be getting off.
Cool. We'll let you.
Sounds
We'll let
good.
you hit it.
Alrighty, guys. If you guys need anything, just text me. I started a new job today, so if I don't text you back as quick, it's because I'm in orientation and stuff. But I'll get back to you by the end of the day.
Okay. You're gonna
Good.
post this.
Yep. I'll let you know on the Hangout chat, seeing when it's posted.
All right.
Thank you.
Good, man.
All right.
See you guys.
All right. See you guys later.